Hello guys, welcome to Ben Media once again. In today's lesson, we are going to master how to play popular Pentecostal worship song. Yesu kayehu. Alright, so I know this is a common song and then it has been trending for some time now. And I want us to do some cool movement on this song. So it was actually played in the key of D, but we are doing this in the key of F. Alright. So if you happen to be a first timer, do want to subscribe to the YouTube channel, like the video, and then leave a comment right below in the comment section. Alright, good. So it is actually Yesu kayehu na chire yenkwan. So we are going to play the songs basically from the melody. Okay, we are going to pick it from the melody. So it is mi re fa mi re do re. So Yesu kayehu na chire yenkwan. So I'm going to pick up the chords from Yesu kayehu na chire yenkwan. So alright, so comment yes if you want me to do a breakdown on how I set this PSR E473 to suit what Asaremix used in his production. Okay, so I'm not using plugin. It is the tones that are in the 473. Yeah, so I'm not using any plugin. So comment yes if you want me to do a breakdown on that tone setting. Good, so let's continue. You can do the one chord, which is so, do, and then mi. And the left hand is doing a do, or C, F, A, and then F. So this is the first chord. And we'll do a C, D, and a G. And the left hand will do an E note, okay? So then fa, then back to a do chord. Okay, so Yesu kayehu. Okay, so Yesu kayehu. And then we do a 1/6. Na chire. Can do this G chord as a fee. Then you play fee. So then to a 6. Left hand is doing a D octave, and the right hand is maintaining our F major chord. That is our do. Then we do this before we progress to a fee. So right hand is doing B, E, and a G. The left hand is doing a G octave. Then you do a fee. Then a ma. So a ma. You are doing, the note is a so, but I'm doing a perfect fourth here. So a C, F, and then a C. Okay. So while on the so, or the left hand is playing the drop 2 here, you are doing C and a G. We add the torso. Doing this chord, Emma. Then we do a C7. Let me take it again, slowly. Then to a 1 chord. This chord is really sweet, so I prefer doing this. Get that apostle feeling, okay? Yeah. Instead of doing fa, instead of doing a normal 4, you can do it this way. So left hand is doing a G sharp and a B flat, and the right hand is doing D, G sharp, and then a D here. So we are doing the D octave and we are adding the G sharp note. So you can substitute this chord for a fa. Okay, so da da da, instead of doing da 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 da, you can do. So the melody is once you have a la here and you want to play a 4, you can do this. Then do this chord. Okay, so left hand is doing A and the right hand is doing E flat, G, and the C. So once we do, then to a re, right hand is doing a D, G, B flat, and then left hand is doing a G here. Okay, so sorry. So it is actually re mi fa. So we do a 1 over a left hand mi. So left hand is doing mi and the right hand is doing a C, F, A. Then add your to into a re over a left hand doing fa. So we are doing B flat, D, and then a G. The left hand is doing B flat. Then you come to our F, T. So we know our F chord. So it is a B, D, and then F. The left hand is doing a G. Then you do T. And do a sus4 here. So Emma. This is the first chord I said we are going to play. Emma. And then there is this part of let's go back to the song and then listen to what he did here. So pay attention very well. He's going to do a do ti la movement. So this is something like Yesu a 1 chord Yesu then you do. So it is actually something sort of a counter motion. Okay, so we are doing chords in the opposite direction. So we are doing right hand a la and left hand is doing do ti la. Okay, if I'm really clear. Okay, so let me take it slowly. Left hand is doing a la. Okay, so F, A, and a D. Okay, so So this is a D minor or a 6 in the key of F. Okay, so is it clear? So a 6 over a 1 chord, 5 over a T or a 7 on the left hand. So and then we are doing a right hand, a G, C, D, and a G here. And the left hand is doing a 6. So it's actually something like a 5 over a 6. So and then you did T, so once you do T, and the left hand is doing a Re, and then sorry, the left hand is doing a G7, or you can say a G and then F. The right hand is doing a F. So T, F. Okay, so we have left hand doing C and a B flat, and right hand doing C, D, E, and a G. Okay, so Yesu okay, so the chords are very, very tricky, but they're very, very sweet. Okay, so do well to stick to the end. Do not be frightened by the chordal movement. Take your time, take it slowly, and then go by it. You are going to be familiar. You are going to be okay with the chords. So it is. Okay, it's very, very sweet. Going to play together with their production, and then we see how it goes. So do you want to subscribe to the channel, Leave a comment right below in the comment section if you enjoyed the lesson. If you want me to do anything, if you want me to break it down slowly, again, I can do that for you privately. All right. Thanks so much. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, share it, and then leave a comment right below in the comment section. All right. Bye.